morning. Hope everybody's doing well. I'm Allie. Welcome to my channel if you've never been here. I appreciate it. I'm going to do a Dutch pour on this long canvas. And I have concocted a pinkish back base or base to it. So let's pour it on. See how it goes. This is a combination of colors, Amsterdam paint, and I couldn't even tell you right now, but I will list it in the description. There's a bunch of them. All right, let's blow this out and get started. I will just wipe down the edges. I'll fix them later. And we will get started. Okay, that's it. All right, so today's colors, and I don't have as many as I normally do. Let me torch this real quick because I've been mixing this morning. Okay. All right, so I'm just gonna do a design across, and I'm gonna start with this. This is just a slight bit darker than this, and I'm just gonna kind of do like this. Like so. Let me put a little more right here. Okay. And then I'm going to add some copper. And all these colors are Amsterdam colors. And this is Prussian Blue. Some of that. Okay. And I would add phthalo blue, but I don't have any. So this is ultramarine. I need to get some. And I'm going to top it off with, this is well, actually, I said all my paints are Amsterdam. That's a lie. This is a Liquitex. It's a light blue violet. Alrighty. So I'm going to add a little bit of the base around. I can do this without spilling it everywhere. So far, so good. Uh-oh, that's a lot. All right. Let's see what happens. Let me torch it one more time. And get with it. All right, here we go.